Look at that. Caught on camera, high winds in Wisconsin caused a big scare at a Wisconsin balloon fest over the weekend. Pilots were in the process of deflating the balloons because of the changing weather conditions. That's when wind gusts picked up the balloon, snapping two of its tethers. A third tether was tied to an SUV. The wind was so heavy you can see that the vehicle is being pulled backwards into some tents.
Oh.
It was scary, but no one was seriously hurt.
Oh my goodness. That just makes you
The
gasp
power-
a little bit. The power of the weather.
I'm telling you.
Pulling an SUV across the grass,
That's
crazy.
huge. It really is. Be careful whenever weather conditions change, because they change rapidly, just like you saw right there. Today, we're ramping up the heat. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Turning it up. Here's what's going on right now outside of our Dominion Skycam. Notice you're able to see pretty nicely and definitely dealing with a little bit of cloud cover, but other locations are dealing with visibility problems, such as right now in Louisa, we are at half a mile, zero visibility. In Farmville, you head into Orange, as well as Fredericksburg, and even in the city of Richmond at 7 miles. But remember, some of those back roads will be less than a quarter of a mile. So be careful as you're headed out this morning, and be careful throughout the entire day. This is one of those summer days you want to stay hydrated. We're kicking off this morning at 74 degrees with light winds all across the area. As far as the clouds are concerned, a little bit of cloud cover up towards Fredericksburg and further into Charlottesville, as well as into Lynchburg. But we do have a little clearing right now in the central zones. However, we're all going to deal with the clouds, and we're all going to be dealing with the heat. Temperatures right now 79 in Williamsburg, 77 in West Point, Fredericksburg coming in at 76, and then just over into Charlottesville, we are flirting with 80 degrees this morning. By the noon hour, we're looking for temperatures to really begin to warm up, getting close to the upper 80s to low 90s. The average temperature, high temperature at that, is 90 degrees, and we're going to be right there at that point by the noon. So temperatures will continue to increase, getting around at the upper 80s to upper 90s as we head throughout the afternoon, and that heat continues to stay with us even as we approach the midnight hour, still in the upper 70s and 80s. That is why we do have a weather alert. This is a heat advisory already in place, highlighted in the orange. This will go until 8 o'clock this evening at Central Time. Temperatures will feel as if they're around 105 to 110 degrees. So make sure you are checking on the elderly, of course, the pets. We've got a really great squirrels game tonight, and it's Bark in the Park. But if you do bring your dog, make sure that they are getting enough water. Now, a few locations will see a few isolated showers, but really not widespread for today. However, tomorrow, temperatures do return, but those rain chances go up right around 40%. Looking to see isolated showers and thunderstorms throughout the afternoon and early evening hours. But Wednesday as well as Thursday, we get a break from the heat and, get this, the humidity. So we're going to get it all out of the way Monday and Tuesday with extreme heat and conditions, but we will see a break and we'll be in the 80s as we go into Wednesday and Thursday. Rob,
All
Reba?
right, thanks. We have a couple of consumer alerts for you. If you recently uploaded vacation photos, CVS is warning customers that its online photo service may have been compromised. The site is being switched off as a precaution.